Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Alex, CEO to FUCO&SOLUTION, and this is Anthony for our R&D. We are a Taiwan-based company. We have been focusing on providing the most innovative statement solution to financial institutions. While banks are reducing the investment on branch offices, we think the customer communication is the most topic to talk about. So we suggest and strongly recommend that the statements are the best and the most effective communication strategy to use to communicate with your clients. And what we do is we're trying to use the latest technology to boost up the value of the statements. We have been helping banks, credit card companies, insurance companies, and also fintech partners to monetize their statements. And nowadays, more than 100 million people in Greater China area are reading the mobile statement produced by our software every month. So today we are going to show you how we make the statements interactive, robo-advisory, transactional, and social empowered. So let's check the mobile, please. So let's go to the email box first. So you can see there is a credit card bill to Mr. Zhang from Global Bank. So let's go into the statements. In the statement, you can see the overview of your credit card bill. And this Mr. Zhang, you consider me as Mr. Zhang, that would be easier. I can pay my bill online directly, and I can go through every single detail of the transaction. The very good part here is I can also apply the installments over the statements. Apparently, making the statements with the installment function is actually the very good way to monetize the credit card bill. It is clear because you can see the handling charge, the interest, and also the monthly payment scheme on the statement. So we can have a look of the terms and conditions and click agree to apply on the fly. A very good thing now is we can integrate the e-commerce with the statement on the mobile altogether. So you can have a look here. There's loyalty summary of mine. So I can use this loyalty summary points plus the cash to get the things I want. All these products here are pre-selected for me. It's a kind of targeted marketing. So guess lots of you here are waiting for iPhone 10, right? So let's get one here. Okay, quantity, I want one, go next. And I can easily use my billing information as the delivery address. Go next, choose one of my cards. I probably have multiple cards with one bank. And there's also installment option here. I choose 9 payments and pay now. So I get the delivery note, which is the order as well. So I do OK. Then the only thing I have to do is wait for the delivery of the iPhone 10. I'd also like to show you guys how we have done in bank statements. So let's look at the statements. Banks are nowadays ready to do the cross-selling for different financial products, including the funds, securities, insurance. So in the bank statement for this Mr. Zhang, we can have a look of the funds, and I can go into the detail of the funds. If I go down, I can also decide whether I'd like to purchase more or transfer them back to the cash. And there's a monthly offering there. That is what we talk about, the cross-selling. Apparently, this is the option for me to refinance my mortgage. So I choose original mortgage bank, which is Wells Fargo. I have 500,000 there, okay, which is 20 years, the term, and 5 years old already. The original interest rate was 6%. I can do the calculation. So the system shows me how much money I pay monthly approximately. Then the better deal comes following. So they are apparently offering me to 30 years, which makes it longer, and with lower interest rate make me have easier life, then I do the apply. The application shows my credit score from the system, so I can put my property address for them to do the value estimation, then I do submit. Okay, so the application is done, and the mortgage consultant will be contacting me. And this is a quite nice experience, so I can actually share with my friends over the Facebook, which the bank will also be contacting to the whole new customer. The robo-advisor is also available for us to help the bank to go with the statement to cross-sell the financial products. So let's see monthly offering here. And we can have a look of how the robo-advisor working here. The questionnaires actually helping the assessment. So after answering all these questions, the system tells you the results of what is the better offering for you to choose, and you can actually also apply on the statements. And I like to go back to the Mac, the PC, so I can show you in the backend how I'm putting everything together. In the backend system, we have this campaign and financial products management tool. So we have all the campaigns and product eligible here. So we have a look at these products, financial products. We can have like advertisement with image, and also interactive robo-advisor, and also mortgage refinance. So let's have a look at the mortgage refinance before we make it to the statements. So let's check detail, make a little bit editing, make sure everything's all right. Okay, done. So this product is fine. So we go back, create a campaign. Choose the monthly offering. The name is mortgage. Starting from now, by the Christmas, whatever. And drag and drop your financial products on your statements. And they choose the customer group. We have the entire customer segmentation in the database. So you can decide, go to the people aged between 30 to 40, annual income like this, and send that to your customer monthly. Okay, so that's the way we do this monetizing the statement thing. Statements are something magic. People read them and rely on them. Monetize your statements, get connect real time with your clients, and also make the transaction happen right on it. If you are interested in this, please come to our booth. Thank you very much.